Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. The much anticipated 2025 Kia camper van has finally arrived, and it's already making waves among adventurers and road trip enthusiasts. Kia, known for its innovative approach to vehicle design, has combined practicality, comfort, and a touch of luxury into this modern camper van, making it an ideal companion for those seeking the ultimate travel experience. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into everything this camper van has to offer and see if it lives up to the hype. Design: sleek, modern, and functional. The 2025 Kia camper van stands out for its sleek, modern design that seamlessly integrates functionality with aesthetic appeal. From the outside, it has a robust, aerodynamic shape that enhances fuel efficiency while looking stylish on the road. Kia has packed the camper with clever storage spaces, hidden compartments, and flexible seating arrangements to maximize space. Whether you're a solo traveler or a family of four, this van has configurations to suit your needs. Interior: comfort meets practicality. One of the standout features of the 2025 Kia camper van is its interior. Kia has gone above and beyond to ensure travelers can enjoy home-like comforts on the go. The use of high-quality materials and thoughtful design touches, like fold-out tables and swivel seats, make this camper van feel both cozy and premium. Whether you're in the city or the great outdoors, you'll feel right at home. Performance: power and efficiency on the roads. Kia's engineering shines in the performance department. The 2025 camper van is equipped with a 2.5L hybrid engine, giving you the power you need while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency. This hybrid setup ensures that you can travel long distances without constantly worrying about fuel stops, a big win for adventurers planning extended road trips. Pricing and options. The 2025 Kia camper van comes with various trims and customization options, ensuring you get the features that matter most to you. Base model starts around $42,000, equipped with all the essentials. Adventure trim adds AWD, solar panels, and enhanced off-grid features, priced at approximately $50,000. Luxury trim, for those who want it all: leather seats, premium sound system, larger battery storage, starting at $60,000. Final thoughts: adventure redefined. The 2025 Kia camper van sets a new standard for compact camper vans. With its sleek design, hybrid powertrain, and comfortable interior, it strikes the perfect balance between adventure and comfort. Whether you're embarking on a weekend getaway or a cross-country expedition, this camper van is designed to make every journey memorable. For anyone considering the van life or looking to upgrade their current setup, the 2025 Kia camper van is undoubtedly worth considering. It's an investment in endless possibilities on the road, and with Kia's reputation for reliability, it promises to be a trusted travel companion for years to come. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Ride safe and see you in the road.